Hey, this is Brady. We're out on the Viaggio Lago, and this is a great boat. We have always been a fan of their helm chairs. But what's better than one helm chair for the captain? Check it out. We got a 4-pack here. And of course, because they all swivel, you can sit around this table and just see this as a great gathering place, a little socializing going on. At the helm, we have 2 large gauges. They're multifunction, easy to read. And of course, we also have a place to charge your phone. Love to see those. Nice Simrad touchscreen. That's the digital, all the information you need. And then on the other side, we have push buttons, including controls to the JL audio stereo. Just past those quad helm chairs, 2 nice seating areas. Plenty of seating, really. I mean, this boat is rated for up to 11 passengers, and there truly is enough seating for everyone. Check out how tall this ski tow bar is. Isn't that amazing? I love the tow point being so high. Of course, with that Suzuki 250, it's going to get a lot of good use. And then when it comes to getting back in the water, Lily Pad Marine Revo boarding ladder. Yeah, that's right. Makes it really easy to get back in the boat. All right, that's a wrap on this Lago from Viaggio. We enjoyed testing this boat. For other videos, check back to pdbmagazine.com. Thanks for watching.